Let's start cleaning the bowl with the napkin. Make sure no fingerprints are visible. Take the napkin and cut it as shown in the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Cut 2 more flowers similarly. Now take the Podge and apply it on the ball. Now paste the napkin carefully so that no creases are visible. Press with a foam brush or any sponge. Now do the same process with the second flower. Now cut leaves and buds from the napkin. Now arrange them on the bowl accordingly as per your satisfaction. Now apply the Podge above the napkin as well. After half an hour, make sure that Podge has dried and then clean the extra Podge as shown. Now I am going to do gold leafing technique. First of all, I want to tell you that this bottle is filled with gliding glue, so don't get confused. For the gold leafing technique, I am applying the gliding glue on the surface where I wish to apply the leaves. After 20 minutes, start applying the gold leaves. Use a soft brush to smooth out the leaves. Now I am using Archival Ink for stamping. Now I am applying white acrylic paint on the outer surface of the ball. You can use gesso or chalk paint also. When the paint has dried, then apply Mod Podge and paste the third flower. There is something different in this video. If you guys are able to recognize, then comment down below. 2 lucky winners will get a handmade gift from my site. I have cut some flowers and leaves from the napkin. Paste them accordingly as shown in the video. Don't forget to apply the Mod Podge on the top. After drying, I am doing some stencil work. For this, I have taken pearl metallic gold and rust color. Now I am doing some stamping work as well. Finally, apply gold pearl metallic color on the circumference. And don't forget to apply the varnish. Our ball is ready.